Can you believe this beautiful butterfly is made using just 2 sheets of colored paper? Stay till the end, and I'll show you how to make it in just a few easy steps. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY crafts, school project ideas, and creative activities. Let's get started. First, take a sheet of colored paper and fold it neatly in half. Using a pencil, draw half or a butterfly on the folded side. Now, carefully cut along the outline with scissors. When you open the paper, you'll have a perfectly symmetrical butterfly. Next, take another sheet of colored paper in a different color. Draw and cut a slightly smaller butterfly. Paste it neatly on top of the larger butterfly to give it a beautiful 3D layered look. Now it's time to make the body. Take a strip of black paper, roll it into a small tube, and glue the ends. Paste this rolled paper right in the center of the butterfly. For the antennae, cut 2 thin strips of black paper and gently curl the ends using a pencil. Attach them to the top of the body. Finally, decorate the wings with colorful paper dots, stickers, glitter, or draw simple patterns using sketch pens. Get creative and make your butterfly unique. Wow! Your colorful paper butterfly is now ready. It's perfect for school projects, classroom decorations, greeting cards, or room decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss our upper craft videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next creative DIY project. Bye.